Back and ready to go. Lunch set to resume his antics on the sidelines. 45% to play, but Calabar says give me 60. And a new champion crowned in Fort Lauderdale. Everton McKenzie, aka Lunch, is best known as a mascot for Montego Bay United. He hasn't been seen around the football circuit for a while for more reasons than one. Last year, McKenzie sustained chop wounds to his face and arms when he was attacked along Harbour Street in Montego Bay and had to be taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital in serious condition.
One thing I can say now, one somebody me thank God, me thank the Most High, and the Most High saved me, and no man saved me. Cause you know people sometimes Satan roll like a rolling lion, cause sometimes they go send some man can do nothing cause it's when you serve God and you do what God says you do. You know, so Satan go come all about now, so you have to just maintain the cool. Right now, it's still in the law, you know, but you know, until we take no revenge, the thing at all, because I'm a child of God now, so I just leave that to the Creator himself.
Fully recovered and ready to go, Lunch has left his troubles behind him and is now a man of God.
No, man, I grew up in a church now, but you know, to talk bad man, I know we roll for girls that things go, you know, and things like that. But we take a churching serious. We take our church a long time, but you know. Yeah, man, I'm a married man. I'm a married man. Married to my wife named Kerry. Me and Kerry live for us 19 years, but we don't try together, but you know, the Lord is making. Life still goes on. Lord bless us seeing with beautiful woman, stuff like that, but you know, I love to deal with and the Creator make you have a child someday.
Lunch also had his problems with the football authorities after he reportedly disagreed orders of entering the field of the Montego Bay Sports Complex after Montego Bay United turned up late for the final against Portmore United in 2016.
Boy, they banned me for 3 months, you know. Charge me $15,000. So I say, we got charge me $15,000 for. And I know charge me for some abuse referee, abuse official and disrespect linesman and all those things. Well, I know to myself some is not like that, but you don't know through a mobile thing, you know, and you know, so why I'm not fight against the team and things like that. But you know, I go through that and they pay the money last season. It's again I pay $15,000 for me in cash with them, so we can start back the journey as a mascot now, as a big flagsman of Mobile United. They don't have no problem with me go on the field now. They don't have no problem with me go on the field because that is no problem to them. But through the confliction and the behavior and things and the behave bad and well, yeah, they use some indecent language to them of course, but I never abuse the official and linesman, nothing like that.
And if you're wondering how he got into the business of being a mascot, Lunch was actually a footballer.
When you about lunch, you know, everything one for buy, but you never go to high school and things like that. We don't get the exposure like even Warren Barrett then. Somebody, but you know, I was a great goalkeeper, play ball over the country all about and in the 80s. And somebody, then time you have a strike on a water boy, no man. Hey, the man there, you know, when my lick shot, you know, man, a gunshot that, you know. I want to hear him lick a ball, man, and I 1 week I don't go to training for man, because all of me and sell up, man. But my type of days of football in the 80s was very good. We still play football, we love football, but right now, these man now, they don't love football, but I think that time them change, you have to forgive them, you know, because they grew up in a computer days, and they tell them with the girl match with the so-called Orange, Alan, Lati. No one in Monday. I don't use a second mass ride dead a couple years ago. A bag of pop juice and some water. But these youth now, they might get money for football and now play it. They shall make Jamaica the Panther right now. See, because one time we love our football not for money, but they get the youth and things have changed, so you have to give them take with them still. But you know see it. You know, say, the journey, say, boy, we go watch them, go play St. Mary back in I remember what year, but back in those times. I said, boy, you know, someone make a flags and carry. Because no man actually no flags. Because I love my red and green, you know. I said, boy, I'm going to make a blue and green flags and carry. Our man said, yo, you can't be the mascot. Someone say mascot, I mean mascot. The man said, man, I'm not a suit man with the big old flag. I said, boy, you know what, I'm going to try. And for me trying with this continuity, and I find myself enjoying doing it. Because that time I enjoyment, because I don't smoke, I don't drink. I'm a church man, you know. Sometimes my wife I probably with a football match instead of a church. Because I say, boy, this is me not turn on flags. So I say, man, you're mad, man. And you're the hungry flags, man. Standing right now in Jamaica. Everybody dead out. And I'm trying to fight against me now as the hungry flags, man, in Jamaica. We go all about, you know. But at one place, I don't go with them, you know. I went in the Kankaka Fund there still, but I never really interested to go still, you know, because I have to work and thing. But it's a pleasure for me to travel around the world, you know. That's how people know you. That's how you get your contact with people. People know you, so through that now, the name MBU and the name Lunch, it's like, say, boy, it's spread all over the world. If you go up on YouTube, Facebook, all over, Lunch, the mascot, you know, something like this. So it's a great pleasure. It's a great pleasure doing that, you know. So right now, may I tell them for the youth, them say right now. Right now. If you make this thing, you see this thing on the go on right now, just take up a flags. Get a car, you know, the gun match, man. You gun match, you enjoy yourself and stop the whole of violence and thing like that. I could be in that, but I choose not. I choose the football with the flag. Me laugh after me, come like you laugh after me, the car. You see last final with the other gun. A man pop off the tail star. You know the tail go. Well, they're enough. They're enough, man. No, it's like one day, the crocodile one, it's a special game. Because if it was a gainer, Mr. Gainer order, it's a line for me. And that will be a special game. You tell them not put on the back, that is a special one. But boy, to the tail gone, boy, can't get the tail star. So you throw that number those. Relax and to get a tail, because boy, you see that costume if you look on it good, you see it's a real MBU fans.
He is also more than just a mascot of the club.
You see the loveness and the kindness. You see the local shop I have here. A lot of time then come, we give them things, and at that time we give them a little money, say boy, I'm going to buy your food, and then come and sit down and then drink and then eat same way. More time they say boy, lunch, you know, say no want some saltfish and flour. We give them money, buy them bag of saltfish, grow on go. Because we are part of the sponsorship same way, you know. Not because we don't have a lump sum of money. But Mr. Say can't say lunch. You know, so no salvage around no Malta, but you say Malta, I know boy I love drink Malta. They love drink Malta bad, me not tell a lie. But you know, if I see them, you know, I don't no problem with them, because them love the same way. Same way, the same thick. Especially my big son, I'm my son, you know. Dino, I'm my son. My name McKenzie, but his name really not, but I'm my son.
This season, Lunch will have to get used to a different Montego Bay United, as several players have left. Add to that the fact that the club has been loaned out for at least a season.
Yes, all on every team right now, one thing I can say, Lunch love no same way. I respect articles same. Every man have to look for them on a future in this time. Because when football done, but a busy boy again. I'm going to survive, because guess what now? I'm going to tell that thing, you know. In the way I'm going to survive, because they say all of my boss step down, Father Paul. It's always step down. It's a youth. You see him, he don't believe in certain things, and he knows say in team going to survive. Facts remain, a theme team, a in-building team, but actually vibe with them and XYZ, they just step down and leave it. We got to survive, man. What you say, man? Nah, man, we're not that sure, man. Father Paul still about it, know. Father Paul no gone. The name still did the same way.
Still to come, Issa asks for 45% from student athletes, but the schools call the shots. And despite the rain, Jamaican high schools shine in Lauderhill.